Hello everyone, welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. Today I'll show you how to make miniature Valentine cards, chocolate box, and a beautiful bouquet for your dolls. Let's get crafting. You can visit our blog at poppyseedmini.blogspot.com to get the free printable for this project. There's a pink version and a red version. The link is in the description box below. To start, cut out all the pieces for the chocolate box. Cut tabs into the white part of the purple strips. You won't need to cut the tabs all the way across. Score along the pink line and fold over the white tabs. Next, glue the tabs down to the bottom heart along the pink line. Glue it one section at a time. Use something with a straight edge to crease the paper. I don't recommend using a knife blade since they're sharp like I'm doing. Continue gluing along the pink line. Once you get to the end, trim down the paper. Trim off a few tabs and glue the rest of the tabs down. Again, crease the paper along a straight edge. I still can't believe I'm using a razor blade as my straight edge. I really don't recommend using one. Please pick something that you won't cut yourself on. Glue the edge down. Then glue on the bottom of the box. Next, take a piece of tissue paper and cut a bunch of tiny squares. Take a square and curve it up around the end of a pencil. Add some glue to the bottom and glue it to the bottom of your chocolate box. Glue the edging around the top of the box the same way you glued it along the bottom. Then you can glue the insert in place. Glue on the top side of the box. To make a mini bow, take the leftover purple strips and cut them in half. Curl both sides towards the center and glue them down. Make 3 bows like this. Glue them to the box. Use the last strip and make a small ring and glue it on top. I made little strawberries and chocolates out of polymer clay to fill my chocolate box, but you could also use beads or cookie sprinkles. The fun thing about the cookie sprinkles is you can really eat them. I included a mini tag if you'd like to add a tag to the box. To make a Valentine's bouquet, cut out all the petals. To shape the flower, you'll need a piece of craft foam and a stylist. I picked this one up at the dollar store. You'll need 4 flower petals to make each rose. Start by taking a push pin and poke the centers of each of the flowers. Flip the first one over and curl up the petals. Curl the first petal really tight and glue it. Hold it while the glue dries. While that's drying, you can shape the rest of the petals. Flip the flowers over and roll your stylist along the edges. Flip them back over and run your stylist around the center to curve up the petals. Okay, back to the centerpiece. Glue the next petal around the first. Once that's dry, glue the other 2 petals up to form the center bud. Cut a 2-inch piece of basic floral wire. Glue on the bud first. Then glue the 3 other petals like so. Once the rose is finished, you can cut and shape one of the leaves and glue it to the stem. To make the lilies, cut out the pieces. For the centerpiece, you'll need a sharp scissors to cut little slits. Use the push pin to poke holes in the center of the petals. Cut another piece of wire and glue the center color side around the wire. While that's drying, curl the petals. Glue the petals on the wire. And then spread out the centerpiece. Once you have all your flowers made, you can arrange them into a bouquet. Twist around a piece of wire to hold it all together. Then trim the stems to make them even. Next, take some squares of tissue paper and arrange them around the flowers. Take a piece of ribbon and tie it into a bow for a finished look. You can also glue on a little tag if you want. Finally, to make the cards, cut out the front and the inside pieces. Fold the inside piece in half and glue on the front. I sure hope you'll enjoy these Valentines from Poppy C. Mini. Thank you so much for joining us for another episode. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, have fun crafting.